go to profile. Now go to unverified. Now select your country from here. Now click on start now. Now give your full name and date of birth. Then after continue, give your address, pin code and city and PAN card number. Now go to continue. Now scroll down, take a front and back side of your ID photo. You can use national ID and driving license and passport. You can use any one. I used my national ID. Now I take back side. Now go to continue. Now take a selfie. After you take selfie, go to continue. Now you should verify your face. You should not use hats and glasses, and don't use any filters, and use enough lighting. For now, go to begin verification for your face and
Please blink now.
As they instruct. Now application is completed. After some time you will receive a verification email. This is the mail from Binance. Verification successful. Congratulations, you have passed the review and are now a verified customer. Okay. So your intermediate verification completed. Intermediate verified. Okay guys, thank you.